And I just knew from that moment on that I would have locks for the rest of my life. And I will, okay? Mark my words. Hello to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata. Why I started my locks. I remember being in high school, okay? And I would always wear cornrows. I always wore cornrows with the beads at the end. I used to wear the wooden beads. It was like wooden beads. I would put like 3 or 4 wooden beads at the end of my hair. And I would also wear plaits a lot. And I got tired real quick. Like, I used to be tired of taking my plaits out and putting them back in, taking them out and putting them back in, or, you know, that's when I actually transitioned to just wearing cornrows because they were easier. It fitted, it suited me at the time. I didn't have all that time to be playing around with my hair, so I was used to do cornrows and beads at the end, and I was a little tomboy. Anyway, for those who don't know, yes, I was straight tomboy all day long. So cornrows just suited me at the time. And I remember seeing other people with locks, like, oh man, like I used to just think that locks were very beautiful. And I don't know, one day I was just like, I'm just gonna lock my hair, okay? Now, for those who don't know, the very first time I locked my hair was a complete and utter disaster, okay? I had straight hair. My hair had been processed. It had been permed before, and I was very reluctant to just do the big chop, like to just cut it all off and start from scratch. So what I did was I cut my hair to about maybe 2 inches, and I still had some perm hair on there, and I did 2 strand twists, okay? And I was like, I'm locking my hair, and I had short hair, but it wasn't like a complete bald head, okay? So I cut my hair, I 2 strand twisted. Y'all, my hair was looking a hot, sticky mess for like 2 or 3 months, okay? I was trying to hang in there and let my hair lock, but the texture of your hair when it's been permed, it just doesn't, it's just not a good look when it comes to locks. And I looked at a mess. I looked at a mess. So I was like, you know what? My hair's already short. I'm looking a hot, sticky mess. It's not working for me. It's not working for me. Let me just go ahead, put my big girl pants on, and just do the big chop. I cut it all off. I had the little teeny afro, okay? And I ended up I had let it grow for about a week, okay? And then I ended up twisting my hair. It was I had a little bit of hair, okay? I had a little bit, and I had double strand twisted. And I just had little twisties in my hair. When I had went to the shop, right? Check this out. So I went to the natural hair salon to have my hair retwisted. I remember going to the salon and getting my hair done. Let me just say, okay, they were charging an arm and a leg thin. So I can only imagine what salons are charging now to do locks. At the time when I went to get my hair done, this is 15 years ago, by the way, it was $65 just for maintenance. No style, just maintenance, $65. And my hair was short. And now I hear that they charge by the length. So what y'all paying? Comment down below what y'all paying for maintenance. Please, somebody let me know, especially if you have long locks like mine. What are you paying for maintenance in the comment section? Okay, because I would love to know. But listen, I went and got my hair done. $65 for maintenance. I think I went. The first time I went, I was impressed. I was like, oh, this is cute. Yes, I like it. Okay? But then, after the second time, I'm like, you know what? Let me save my coins. And twist my own hair. Because at this point, I had already got it. Like, okay, now I see what they're doing. I see exactly what they're doing. Let me do it myself. Other people, those 2 times that I went to the salon and I saw all of the people in there getting their hair done, I was just feeling so inspired. Like, wow, their hair is so beautiful. I love the energy of being in the room with all of these people with such beautiful locks. And I believe this is when I actually fell in love with locks. Okay, like, I just thought they were so beautiful, okay? And I just felt excited about my own locks and my own lock journey. And I just knew from that moment on that I would have locks for the rest of my life. And I will, okay? My words, okay? I will not be one of those people who you fall in love with or you deal with like, oh my God, I love her locks. That's my homegirl right there. Y'all know I rock with her the long way, and I rock with my locks the long way. I ain't cutting my hair. I can't see myself with any other look. I mean, I would do an afro. But I choose my locks first. If I didn't have locks, I would definitely have an afro. I would definitely be rocking my twist outs and all of that. But I love my locks, and yeah. So that's pretty much why I started my locks. How I started my locks, it probably wasn't a lot at all, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little nugget of my walk down memory lane. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what made you start your locks, okay? What made you start your locks, okay? And don't forget to tell me how much you are paying for your maintenance at these salons, okay? Because I would love to know, okay? Subscribe, turn on your notifications, share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, y'all know the deal. Help your girl grow, okay? Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.